Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because today we're diving into one of the most extravagant vehicles ever designed for the open road. Picture this: the elegance of a Bentley, the spaciousness of a mansion, and the freedom of a motorhome, all fused into one jaw-dropping masterpiece. This is a 2026 Bentley luxury motorhome, a rolling palace that lets you travel the world like true royalty. If you thought luxury SUVs and private jets were the ultimate flex, think again. Bentley just redefined luxury road travel forever. Number 1, the concept. When you hear the name Bentley, you instantly think of timeless craftsmanship, British heritage, and vehicles that blend power with elegance. But for 2026, Bentley has gone beyond a traditional sedan or SUV. They've stepped into the ultra-luxury RV market, and let's just say they didn't hold back. The Bentley motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. Built for billionaires, celebrities, and luxury enthusiasts who crave freedom without sacrificing comfort, this RV is designed to turn highways into red carpets. Think about it. Instead of waiting at airports, cramming into business class, or checking into hotels, you now take your mansion on the road. From New York to Napa Valley, from the Grand Canyon to Miami Beach, this Bentley promises a road trip like no other. Number 2, exterior design. Let's talk about design. The 2026 Bentley motorhome looks like something out of a futuristic James Bond movie. Sleek lines, aerodynamic curves, and a presence that commands attention. The iconic matrix Bentley grille dominates the front, flanked by ultra-modern LED headlights. Chrome accents, sculpted bodywork, and a dual-tone paint finish scream sophistication. The sheer size is massive, yet Bentley designers ensure it looks more like a rolling piece of art than a bulky bus. And of course, Bentley offers full bespoke customization. You can pick exclusive paint shades, add personalized logos, or even commission hand-painted detailing, because when you're spending millions, ordinary just won't cut it. Number 3, interior luxury. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into a world of handcrafted perfection. Bentley has always been known for hand-stitched leather, polished with veneers, and precision detailing. And this motorhome takes it to the next level. The living room is styled like a luxury penthouse suite, complete with plush reclining seats, a marble coffee table, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. Smart glass technology allows you to switch from clear to tinted at the touch of a button, giving you privacy whenever you want it. The kitchen is a chef's dream. State-of-the-art appliances, an induction cooktop, a full-size fridge, and even a wine cooler stocked with your favorite vintages. And yes, Bentley gives you the option to customize the cabinetry in rare woods or carbon fiber. The bedroom? Pure royalty. A king-size memory foam bed, hand-woven silk sheets, and ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood. You also get a walk-in closet, because why shouldn't your wardrobe travel with you? And the bathroom is straight out of luxury spa. Italian marble, rainfall shower, heated floors, and yes, even a gold-plated sink option if your budget allows. This isn't just an RV, it's a rolling palace. Number 4, technology and innovation. Luxury means nothing without innovation, and Bentley packed this motorhome with futuristic tech. A massive smart control system runs everything, from lighting and climate to entertainment and security, all accessible through a touchscreen panel or even your smartphone. The motorhome features a cinema-quality entertainment system, complete with a retractable 75-inch OLED display and a 3D surround sound setup tuned by Bentley's audio engineers. Imagine watching your favorite movie while parked under the stars in Yosemite. For connectivity, the Bentley RV comes with satellite internet, 5G integration, and even Starlink compatibility, so you're never offline, whether you're in downtown Los Angeles or the middle of the Nevada desert. And let's not forget sustainability. Bentley integrated hybrid electric powertrain technology, solar panels on the roof, and energy-efficient climate systems to reduce emissions without sacrificing performance. Number 5, performance and driving experience. Now you might be wondering, what's it like to drive this beast? Well, under the hood lies a hybrid V8 engine, producing jaw-dropping torque to move this luxury mansion effortlessly. Paired with advanced air suspension, adaptive cruise control, and all-wheel drive, the ride is smooth, stable, and unbelievably quiet. Bentley also added autonomous driving features, meaning on long stretches of highway, the RV can practically drive itself while you sit back and sip champagne. Number 6. Price and exclusivity. Here comes the big question. How much does this rolling palace cost? Well, brace yourself. The base price is rumored to start around $3 million, but with customization, it can easily exceed $5 to $7 million. Of course, this isn't for everyone. Bentley plans to make these in very limited numbers, ensuring exclusivity. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a status symbol, a declaration that you've made it to the very top. So, would you travel the world in a Bentley motorhome if money was no object? Imagine waking up by the Pacific coast, dining in the Rocky Mountains, and falling asleep under Nevada stars, all without ever leaving the luxury of Bentley craftsmanship. This isn't just travel. This is travel like royalty. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Bentley luxury motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury lifestyle content, and let me know in the comments, where would you take this rolling palace first? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling in style.